Another 10-minute drop challenge? I think so. You already know what style it's in. It's in the style of Psytrance, or the genre or subgenre of Psytrance. I got a few ideas, I got a few elements I want to try out. Enough jibber jabber, it is time to get into it. 145, I hope that's the right tempo. Might just 147. Alright, let's get this challenge going. It is going to be a good time. Timer starts in 3, 2, 1, start. First of all, we're going to make the classic Psytrance bass. It's an analog ting, and serum, no, you don't have to use serum, but serum would be recommended. Envelope 1, gonna make this, and load up a filter. I don't know what kind of steepness of high pass it should be, but almost clicking the wrong things. Does Psytrance have OTT? Because it's about to now. Let's try it. Yeah, that'll do for the time being. We can spice it up later. Just got A minor. 2, don't need the metronome, thank you. That's too low. Oh, I don't know. Maybe we'll do it in A minor, then transpose it down into whatever needs to be done. Is that on the grid? I think it is. I think the dimension expander is not doing any favors. With and then some effect there. We'll add some like chord progression. It's really hard to form like a chord progression in your head when it's just like a really fast bass playing. No, that's trash. Wasted time. Drop down to F. I feel like so much wasted time just listening to this. But that'll be it. I think the last note could possibly go as D sharp, so I might just drop it down to G minor. Okay, let's get a kick happening, because we haven't done that yet, and that's kind of essential. Well, the whole freaking thing is essential. A G kick, how convenient. I feel like I need to add extra resonance to this kick. Like with a filter, kind of. Like it's got a notchy thing. I don't know. Oh, it might be with an EQ. Okay, we can get rid of that if it sounds trash. If I had FL Studio, I'd chuck in some gross beat on it. Wait, what am I talking about? I do. Actually, I don't know how to do it if it's like an audio effect. Oh, that's really too hard. But that would be fun to do in another video. That kick is not working. Might be too fast. Let's add some drum tings. Add some drum tings. Proceeds to put freaking. I just wanted it for the reverb, and I'm gonna chuck in some EQ8. I feel like Psytrance might have the yeah, let's chuck it in the second half. The sub is just not clear. It needs to be subbier. So, great English. How much time we got left? 350 something. And we could drag out the sub notes just a little bit longer. Yeah. Do do do. Oh, I really want to add some. I don't even think it's Psytrance. It's like a trancey. Nah, it needs to be wider. It's too mono. It is the classic. Oh, it's by Robert something. Is it like Children or something? It's a classic. I'll have to play it at the end of this. Absolute anthem. Love that song. I think he'd passed away recently as well, or might have been in the last couple of years. Do 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 do. We want the scale tool because I am trash. I'm getting slightly better. Trash at music theory. Want that. Reverb, want that. OTT. Don't want the low bands. Let's try to come up with something completely cool. Oh, come on, Ableton. There we go. I thought it only captures like the last 3 notes I hit. That playing though. Command U or Control U, quantize the shit out of that. Thought that sounds really. Delay, come on, and then a few stabby sounds, and I'll be happy. We want resistance. I was gonna say resonate, but no, that's a wrong pack. Too hyper trappy. Maybe I want the lead. I just want one sound. I feel like I'm running out of time. This is the part where I stress the fuck out. Cool. So much potential! Damn it! I legit thought I had a couple minutes up my sleeve. I was gonna copy and paste this over here. I was gonna do a madness. I was gonna add in some more leads. Or hear how it sounds currently. And then I'll do some tweaks like I normally do. Because I'm like, yeah, I'm not quite happy with it. Bang it! That's what we need. Can we just cheat and chuck that in? Duplicate. What about we have this like blending? I feel like I'm in triplet. Got too much low end for that hat. What about adding some lower octave ting? I think that's in the right key even. And then we stop it when the 808, 909, whatever hats come in. Oh, that sounds weird. Does it even need OTT? That's the question. Oh, I got too many ideas. It's supposed to be 10 minutes. It never is. Wide ride. Actually, a kick 2 kick would probably actually suit a lot better because they got dedicated Psytrance kicks, which I don't have in my library. Anyway, let's give it the final listen. I'm pretty chuffed with what I came up with in 10 minutes from the top. I guess that about wraps things up. Another 10-minute drop challenge. Tick. Psytrance was a good time. A little bit stressful at the end, but you know, they always are. It's inevitable. As per usual, if you did enjoy, be sure to obliterate that like button. Hope you guys do have a great day. I'll catch you in the next tutorial or whatever we do on this channel. Have a great day and peace.